The John Deere Harvester 1270G is a state-of-the-art forestry machine designed to efficiently and precisely process the cutting of trees. This harvester is a part of John Deere's forestry equipment lineup, known for its advanced technology and robust performance in the logging industry. Understanding how the John Deere Harvester 1270G processes the cutting of trees involves delving into its key features and the step-by-step operations it performs. At the core of the 1270G's tree-cutting capabilities is its powerful cutting head. The cutting head is equipped with a series of sharp saws and blades that are designed to swiftly and cleanly sever trees at the base. The machine's operator, situated in the cab, controls the harvester's movements and manipulates the cutting head with precision. The operator can adjust the cutting head's height, angle, and orientation to suit the characteristics of the specific trees being harvested. The 1270G is equipped with advanced technology that aids in the identification and selection of trees for cutting. The machine is often fitted with sensors and cameras that provide real-time data about the surrounding forest. This information assists the operator in making informed decisions about which trees to cut based on factors such as size, quality, and the overall logging strategy. Once a tree is selected for harvesting, the cutting head engages, and the saws make a swift and precise cut at the base of the tree. The machine's hydraulics play a crucial role in this process, providing the necessary power to operate the cutting head and control its movements. The hydraulics also facilitate the manipulation of the tree after it has been cut, allowing for efficient handling and processing. After the tree is severed, the 1270G moves to a processing area where further operations take place. The machine often can delimb the tree, removing branches and foliage, leaving behind the valuable trunk. The processed logs are then neatly stacked for transportation or further processing. The John Deere Harvester 1270G's efficiency lies not only in its cutting capabilities, but also in its ability to streamline the entire harvesting process. The integration of technology, hydraulics, and operator controls ensures that the machine can adapt to varying forest conditions and logging requirements. This advanced harvester stands as a testament to John Deere's commitment to providing forestry professionals with cutting-edge equipment for sustainable and productive logging operations.